This is the original photo. To this. And this. So smooth editing. Flawless and perfect. Do you want to learn how? Let's go. Let's download the apps. Go to Play Store. Search Meetu. There it is. Select Install and wait to finish downloading. The duration of downloading depends on the speed of your internet. Mine took just a little while, but I speed up the video to make it faster. Done. Just allow all. Let's start editing. Select photo. Select cutout. Then select stroke. There are different options to choose from. You can adjust the thickness. Next, select background. There are so many background designs to choose from. Next, choose color. For different color background, choose any color that suits your photo. Next, you can adjust the size of the frame. Next, select templates. There are so many cute templates. You can even duplicate your photo. When you're done, save it. Next, you can use your own background. Next, select Import. Select Modify Area, so you can resize your photo and place it anywhere. There you go, so easy and effortless editing. There's just a 5 seconds ads. That's all guys, hope you like this video tutorial. Please, give this video a thumbs up.